Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about greatest and least function in Oracle database. So at here this is the syntax of greatest and least function. So at here you can pass a number of string parameter, integer parameter here, and in list you can pass a number of string and integer parameters. So string 1, string 2. Now let's see by example. So and here, so first I'm going to use select statement and here select going to use greatest function. So inside you can pass at least two parameters. So if you pass only one parameter, okay. Now here after from dual. So dual is the dummy table. Now let's execute. So at here the output it's displaying 5 only. So 5 only the greatest at here. Now let's give alias as call. Now here after let's pass two parameter 5 and 4. So 5 and 4 here 5 is the greatest. Now here after let's enter 78, 65, 34. So by using greatest function, so this will display the greatest number inside here, inside the parameter. So see here it's displaying 78 is the greatest. Now here after the next is, so you can check a string value also. So select here greatest. So let's give capital A here after or B here after a small c. Now let's close the bracket and from 2. So if you execute this query, the ASCII value that check gets function that check by ASCII value. So A, B, a small c, the ASCII value is higher than both of 2. So that it's a displaying C. Now here after let's give alias as call, and here after you can include, so if you include at here a small or here a small p. So ASCII character or ASCII value of a small p is the higher than p. So that here that the output display a small p. See. So if you wanna check only compare with only compare with capital letter value, so you can also do that. So p is the highest character, highest ASCII value here. So at here inside you can enter, so at here inside you can enter any name also. So let's write at here Anna, and here going to give Emily, and here Annie. So that tick A, so A is the all, and here all the same. So here after that check second letter, so N M M. So at here M has the highest ASCII character. So that here if you execute this query, so the output display, sorry, M here after N. So that here N is the highest character ASCII value. So N here this N also same. Here after this is the A, and here this is the I. So I is the highest ASCII character value. So that here it's a display a NISA. Now here after you can just write A N I S S. So both are duplicate values. So the output only display a NISA. Now here after if you do some, here after I in place of I J K, I'm going to enter K. So at here that compare K with I. So here K is the highest ASCII value, so that here it's a display ANKSHA. So these the things here. Now let's apply this greatest function in. the table. So I'm going to use the table EMP. Select a star from EMP. Now let's check the record. So you can compare at any column values. So let's going to compare with three different columns. So select here after. So selecting cell column here or column next and here GPT number column. Now here I'm going to apply greatest greatest function and here passing this three column. First is the here com. Now next GPT number and here give alias as com from EMP table. So this will compare 6200 and here 30. So 6000 is the highest value. So this will return 6000 for first row and here that compare 800 null 200. So if that want any null values, so this will return the highest value only null. So let's execute here and check. So see at here it's a displaying 6000 here it's a null value. So that here it's a displaying call null. Now here comparing this three 1600, 300 and 30. So 1600 is the highest value. So at here it's returning 1600 and 1250 is the highest. So these are the things here. Now you can compare. So let's take the record inside this grade table. Select a star from cell grade. Now let's execute this query. So here this is the lowest low cell and high cell. So you can also compare highest and lowest greatest function here. So select so going to use low cell and hereafter HI cell. So two column I selected. Hereafter I am going to apply greatest function on LOSAL HISAL. Now let's give the alias from cell grade. Now let's execute this query. Here it's a new column it's created. So it compares 700 and 1200. 1200 is the highest, 1400 is the highest, 2000 is the highest, 3000 is the highest. So this is the use of greatest function to check greatest value. Now the next is a list function. So at a let's write list function. So this will return a smallest value. So at a 4 is the smallest value. So this will return here 4. Now here let's give list execute query. So A has the lowest ASCII value compared than B and B. And here from these three values, let's use at here list. So A N, so A and E. So N is the lowest ASCII value. So at here the output display ME. Now here after let's see the record inside EMP table and here going to apply list. So list so 6230. So list value is 30. So the output will display 30. So 30 it's a display. Now here after see the record inside cell grade. So at a 700 and 1200 it will compare. The lowest value is the 700. Yeah. So let's write list function and here 700 that will display for first row. Second row 1200 01 and three row 1400 01. So these are the things about list and greatest function in Oracle database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.